Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to upload your work on GitHub or your projects on GitHub so that you have all your projects in one place. At least it's good to document your projects. So you cannot just be working and just leaving them. So you need to document your projects as they go on. And GitHub is one of the best places to document your projects. As you can see, this is what I did on COVID-19 analysis. I had everything there. I also had a link for people to interact with my dashboard and all that. So let's get right into it. Let me show you how I uploaded mine and so you can do yours. Let's get right into it. So we are currently in an account I created for training. You can see there's no repository yet. So for you to create your own for you to upload your project, you need to create a repository. For you can see your overview, repository, project, package stars. So for you to create a repository or for you to upload your project, you create a repository. So you click on repositories and you click on new. We want to upload a project and what is our repository name. So what's the name of your project? Let me pick the coding dynamic and everything. So this is the so it depends on what the title of your project is. You can just type it in here and you make that public so that people can access it, and you add a readme file so that you'll be able to type in there, not just uploading your codes and all that. Then click on repository. So that's it, guys. We just want to start to upload. Now, before you start uploading, I always advise that you type in what document so that you just copy and paste and make your life much easier. So I already have my Word documents here. I have all these things I've copied and pasted from my main GitHub account so that it will be easier. So I'll just copy all that and I space them so that everything won't be muddled up and all that, so that it's going to be readable. So for you to paste them, you click on this pencil icon here. You can see edit file. You click on it, and this is my title already there, and you paste. So remember, I got all this from my Word document already typed, and this is one of my projects on GitHub. So I just copied and pasted on Word. The major word, I think I've deleted it from my system or thereabout, trying to find space on the PC. So this is how you do, and I like having picture before the main intro. Picture attracts people and all that. So I already downloaded some pictures here. So I'm talking about used cars. So I went online, I got this picture. So I'll just do copy and I'll go to my GitHub and I'll just paste. Do you want to see how that looks like? And let's look at the preview. Now, this is the preview. This is the picture now, and this is my project. So all these pictures were all copied and pasted, and this my visualization was done on Power BI. I did a video on how to merge your Power BI into one page. So you can look out for it. I'm going to drop a link on how to merge your Power BI into one page that you can have your reports like this. So when you are done with your project, you commit changes. Commit changes is like your save, not just like it's your save button. So you commit changes and you commit changes twice and it saves. Now you have things like your code that you want to upload, additional files you want to upload. You can just click on your title and it takes you to the main page and you say add file. You click on the drop down of the add file, you see upload files. So with the upload files, you can put in your Python link, your all your links, your code links, any additional stuff you want people to see at the background I can put here. Then you can just add the files. They're going to see readme file and they're going to see your code files here. So that's it, guys. That is it. Super easy to upload. And in case you want to delete, I'll also drop a link. I show you how to delete your repository, which you have to go to settings and all that on how to delete a repository. Probably made a mistake or you don't want it on your GitHub again, you can easily delete them. And so if you come to your profile, you're going to see it there. Super easy, right? Yeah. Please remember to like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye.